Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to unbox the brand new Zeblaze GTR. After we unbox the GTS, now it's time for the new GTR. We will see what we have in the software of this watch and what difference do we have from the GTS. And we will see what we have in the box itself. We will test the options and we will see which one is better and why. So let's go ahead without losing any time, start to unbox it. We have the box in front of us now, the Zeblaze GTR. As you can see, the GTS is in the background, we saw that before. So we have all-day heart rate monitoring, we have blood pressure monitoring, 10 goal-based exercise, female cycle tracker, sleep quality monitoring, sleep tracking, calorie burn, daily step goal, real-time pace, we have notifications, one-click reject and mute calls, we have weather forecast, find phone, turn wrist, detection, music control, etc. So you can see we have quite a few options here in the GTR. You can see the charger, the straps that are very soft and good quality, and the watch itself with protection to not scratch it. We have 1.3-inch display, colorful and 30-meter water resistant. Also we have a 30-day power saving battery life or 18 days typical using scenario. You can see the user manual, we have different languages, so it's very easy for all of us to use it. To put the bands on is very simple, you just have to click them in the place. I showed you this method plenty of times. Peel the protection off and let's start the GTR, see what we got. As you can see, we have very good screen, colorful, and very low brightness I noticed. So let's go to the menu and immediately try to raise it, see if we can raise it. With the second button you enter the menu, let's go down below and see if we can raise the brightness. As you can see now it's at the 5 and we can go up to 12. Now we have a very better display. So let's begin here immediately to see what we got in details in this watch. You can see we have, as I said, a very good color face. To change the face, you just press and hold the face so we can change and download more in the app. These are only the ones that we already downloaded and or downloaded here so we can change immediately. You can see we changed it immediately. In the taskbar we have time, date, percentage of battery, we have the brightness that we went in the settings to change, we have do not disturb, alarm, information and find phone. Down below you can see the low battery sign. Down below we have the messages. In the right we have steps, kilometer and other information throughout the day. Sleep, we have here the weather, heart rate, blood oxygen, and that's all. In the menu, if we press the second button like we saw before, we can go to the first option, that is sports, sleep, steps, heart rate, blood pressure, notifications, alarm, stopwatch, timer, music control, find phone, female, photograph, weather, and the settings. In the settings we have brightness, auto lock, switch, message settings, dial settings, device and clear data. So these are all the options that we have in the Zeblaze GTR. So let's go ahead and try some of them. In the menu, let's go again to the top and see the sports, what type of sports we have. We have here outdoor, we have here outdoor run, outdoor walk, hiking, indoor run, indoor walk, stair stepper, outdoor cycling, stationary bike, elliptical and rower machine. We have quite a few options here, and if you press one of them, as you can see, we have calories, heart rate, time, and in the second page we have steps, pace and the distance as well. Not too much information, but I think these are the main ones that we need to know. On the left we have the music control, and the right you can add the session and the result will be saved in the watch and in the app as well. After the sport, we have to try the heart rate and blood pressure. Let's start with heart rate, which is the second option that we can try in the menu. And we have immediately the result. You can see we have highest and lowest, and that was the final result when it shut the watch. Next, we have the blood oxygen. As you can see, we can see the percentage of the blood oxygen that we have. And also, again, these data will be saved in the app, so we can check the statistic on what we did throughout the day. This is the final result of the blood pressure. Let's go ahead down below, see if we can find anything. You can see we have the female option for the ladies, and for us, we don't have anything else to test here. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video with another smart device.